Okay, I'm back. Hi. Did you say you already beat the first boss? I'm just behind, aren't I? Oh, sheesh. Oh, wait, slime, draw one card, exhaust. Wait, what? I don't think I understand that, but I'm gonna take out this enemy. Edge. Let's get rid of him. Oh, I should have used that on the other one. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Did you just hear me? Yo. You don't know what I hear in my head when you say that. Don't say that. I don't want to ever hear you say that. Not you, anyway. Thanks, Bob. You're not allowed to say that. You don't know what that sounds like. I can't hear your sweet voice saying that. I don't want to hear that. Alright, bro. I think Ice knows what I'm talking about. I don't ever want to hear you say that. Yami knows what I'm talking about. It don't sound right. Ice, I'm glad you picked up quick. I know you're lost. That's why it's funny. What is this? How does this work? Oh, it's just all block? Alright. Yeah, please no. 7 damage. Yeah, let's kill him. The last slime. Easy one. Alright, cool. $10 gold. Oh, gain 2 strength. We proceed. Merchant? Okay. Also, let me unmute real quick now. I think it's time. Let me make sure that you guys will be able to hear them. Put this up here. Here. Hi.
Hello there.
Hi. Oh, Julie, by the way, this is a card game, so I think you know. It's a co-op card game too. I think this is 4 players, right? I think this is 4 players. Let me see. I'm checking Steam right now. I think Kev said it was 4. Give you a second? Okay. I think this is 4. Maybe. But I think you might enjoy this. Agua. Yeah, just a sec. Not right now. I took some already. Let me turn my fan up a little. What's going on there? Okay. So you said you beat the first thing already?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think I might die here though.
You might die.
Wait.
Deal 9 damage.
I didn't.
Oh, draw 1 card. That's sick. How much gold do I have? 23. Deals 5 damage. Draw 1 card. It's less. But I still get the card. It costs us. Wait, it costs more. Oh, because it doesn't have a. It doesn't have a cost, like an actual card cost. That's pretty good. This is next turn. Played an extra time. That's really good, actually. That's 148 though. Play the top card of your draw pile and exhaust it. What does that mean? I don't remember what that means. Exhausting your cards. I don't remember what that means. Burning blood in combat heals 6 HP. Deal 12 damage to all enemies. Cost 1 less for each attack played this turn. Oh, that's pretty good. Gonna make a hot pocket. What kind of hot pocket? I'm just gonna spend all my money. Go back. Proceed. A ham hot pocket? Like a ham and cheese hot pocket? Ali loves those.
Yes, they're so good. This is the best one.
Wait a minute. Inflame gain 2 strength. Oh no, I'm tiny. What does this mean? Shrink. While your shrink beetles alive, your attacks deal 30% less damage. Wow. Okay.